Once upon a time there lived a bad bitch. All she ever wanted to do was get rich.
Hey loves, it's your girl T and I'm back with another reaction video. So this video was requested by Love Heart and kept spamming my videos. Wanted me to react to this person, Lele Pons. Is it Pon? I said Pons, whatever. I don't know what it is. It's P-O-N-S. You know, some people be difficult with their names, so you don't know if you're saying around that. But yeah, you did tell me what video to react to, and I was skimming through, and hopefully these are not corny, because if it is, I will say it. I don't care. I like funny stuff. I like real comedy. If it's corny, you will see it in my face, and yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. But I decided to watch Dora, the RATCHET EXPLORA, because I think that's the most recent and it's the first one that popped up. So let's get into it.
Honey, enjoy Dora. We'll be home soon.
Bye, love.
Bye, Mommy.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Hola, soy Dora.
Dora!
And this is mi amiga's Boots. I lost my puppy. Mi perro. Oh no. Can you help me find him?
Okay.
That's great! Yeah, let's go. Excuse me, have you seen my puppy?
Yeah, right. I've seen it all over.
Okay.
I'm so dirty right now.
But have you seen my puppy?
I haven't seen it, no yet. Sorry.
Okay.
I want to kiss the puppy.
I look like a bear.
Yeah, you don't look like a monkey. Oh no, we're lost.
Oh my god, what do we do?
The map.
The map! Get the map out the backpack.
Where is it? It's inside.
Get the map.
Oye, mami. I'm here.
Map!
Tranquilo. You look a little lost. Don't be stressed. I give you 3 letters. GPS. I'm the map. I'm the map.
That's my map. He keeps us on track. When I leave home, he's got my back. Hold up!
Can you find the twerkers?
Back. We're so cool, the way we rap.
You look a little hungry. Here's a snack.
Thanks for the fruit.
You know I got you, boo. You're my best friend.
And what about Boots?
Yeah, just go down the block and make a left.
Okay, cool. Can I use this?
Yep.
Thanks.
Bye.
Oh no, we can't go arriba or down.
So,
I don't know.
say it.
Say it. Through! Yeah!
Ay, Dios mío! What do we do? It's a mountain. Do we go under?
What do I do?
Do we jump? Do we go? Thanks for nothing, you idiot.
Yay, we're almost finished.
We made it, Dora.
Do you hear that?
What is that?
Swiper.
Help us find Swiper.
Is he here?
Or there. Huh?
I love you, Dora.
Louder.
Louder! Louder!
Louder, for God's sake!
Behind us! Oh, no. Swiper. Oh, no, Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, cut that out, Swiper.
Yeah.
Dora, that was hot.
Let's go before the cops come.
Yeah, what the hell is this? The cops.
There she is!
Yay!
Thanks, guys!
We did it! Gracias, amigo!
Gracias!
The song! We did it! 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 We did it!
We did it!
Where'd it go?
Where we gonna go?
Who took her?
I quit!
Where did she? Whatever.
Honey, we're home. Hi. We have a surprise for you.
Surprise!
Isn't it the cutest?
They done stole the dog. They took the dog. It was straight. I mean, some parts did make me laugh. I don't, like, it's hard to explain, like, if you laugh at everything and then you laugh, is it actually funny? Or it's just you? If y'all get what I'm saying, like, I don't know. But yeah, it was okay. Like, some of her other videos I seen, I didn't see it, but scrolling, it looked kind of corny, so this was probably the best to react to. Anywho, if y'all like that, the first video will be in the description down below. Hey, subscribe to my channel. Like this video, you feel me? If you want to react to a certain video, let me know in the comments down below. Follow me on Twitter, be subscribed below also, and look out for more reacts from me.